Impoverished people are not found only in poor nations. This time, they have been spotted in Paris. A free fried chicken giveaway in Paris, organized by social media influencer, descended into chaos. Thousands of people unexpectedly showed up at the venue, overwhelming authorities. Salvatore had planned to distribute 1,000 pieces of fried chicken for the back-to-school event. However, instead of 1,000 people, around 3,000 showed up, far exceeding the organizers' expectations. The crowd surge created pressure, causing panic among attendees. Police later set up barriers and, along with officers in riot gear, used tear gas to disperse the crowd. However, some members of the crowd threw stones and other objects at the police, forcing authorities to cancel the event within 45 minutes. At least 5 people were arrested. Organizers later confirmed that the event was cancelled due to safety concerns and pledged to review crowd management protocols for future events. Nusrat Anonna, Daily Sun.